Hey everybody, this is James with wstrades.com. Want to give you an update here on Space or Virgin Galactic. Saw an article here from investing.com and it says Space Stock, a meme stock that's fallen from grace. It says Virgin Galactic or Space is a company that's had a stock chart resembling Sir Richard Branson's flight into lower orbit. Indeed, watching Space stock soar from below $25 at the start of the year to more than $62 per share prior to the flight, only to end up right around where this stock started the year, has been exhilarating to watch. Indeed, this stock has been one of the more volatile stocks this year, soaring and plummeting on a news flow that doesn't seem to stop. The space race is on, and Virgin Galactic appears intent on winning the space tourism race. That said, rising competition from other players has made the future outlook for this sector uncertain. I remain bearish on space for a number of reasons. We'll get into those in a second. However, it's important for investors considering this highly volatile stock to take a minute to look at the company's stock chart before diving in. Let's take a look at what has been driving volatility with Virgin Galactic of late. Test flight delayed? What now? The summer has been an extremely volatile one for investors in space stock. Indeed, space stock surged to the $57 level on June 25th after Virgin Galactic received FAA approval to conduct commercial space flights. The impressive increase late June saw space stock soar as much as 40% in a single day. However, since then, the volatility has mostly been to the downside. An ongoing probe by the FAA into the mishap investigation report stemming from the July 11th flight which saw Sir Richard Branson enter space has dogged this stock. Last week, shares dropped more than 3% after Virgin Galactic announced the company would delay its Unity 23 test flight with the Italian Air Force. While Virgin Galactic claims the FAA probe and the Unity test flight delays are unrelated, investors seem to have had their faith shaken by these recent events. However, concerns around a major fault in Virgin Galactic's flight control actuation system sounds like a problem that may take some time to resolve. Accordingly, some investors may feel content to wait for a better entry point that may emerge. Company financials leave much to be desired. It's worth pointing out that Virgin Galactic is likely still a ways from running commercial space flights at a scale. However, investors running the numbers on this company will note that Virgin Galactic is currently bleeding a lot of cash. So let's take a look at the price action here on Space or Virgin Galactic. I've got the daily chart pulled up here. They're down over 4% on the day. Not really a big surprise here. The markets are dumping in general. Almost all the indexes are down about 2% right now. So Space is just kind of following what is going on with the markets. Friday had a really nice pump here. Got above the 21-day exponential moving average. That was a really big candle there. And now we have gap down and the price is selling below that. However, the price is still squeezing. You can see that this is the 9th day in a row here on the TTM squeeze histogram, here on the daily chart, that the price is squeezing. So Space is definitely priming right now to make a big move. I would think that this thing is going to try to fire to the upside here because we've had so much selling and a lot of consolidation here since this run up to around $58. It was just a big sell-off and a big dump. But it's really been going sideways and trying to consolidate here for a long time, several weeks. So you can see here on the TTM squeeze histogram as well that these bars are getting very small. As we kind of go sideways, we tread below the zero line here on the TTM squeeze. These bars are getting smaller and smaller and smaller as the price squeezes. So I'm expecting buyers to pile into this thing. You know, maybe a good news story comes out about the FAA probe or the questions about the possible faulty part. If we can get a good news story around, those two issues, I think buyers are going to pile in and this thing is going to cook. I mean, this thing has been riding really low on the RSI here for a long time. You have a little bit of a bump here, but outside of that, this thing has been below the 50 line on the RSI all the way back to mid-July. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated here on Space or Virgin Galactic. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.